Infotech is sponsoring 20,000 worth scholarship to engineering and undergraduate students. To know all the details about this scholarship, keep watching the video till the end. All of you are doing good. Today we have come up with one more fantastic scholarship opportunity, that is L&T Infotech Mindtree Samruddhi Scholarship powered by Lanson to Grow Infotech Limited. If you are an aspiring engineering or undergraduate students from an underprivileged background looking forward to continue with their educational dream, then this scholarship could be key to your success. L&T Infotech, a prominent Indian multinational IT service and consulting company, partnered with Scholarship Portal to empower the students from underprivileged section across the India. The L&T Infotech Samruddhi Scholarship is designed to enable aspiring students to continue with their educational and career goals, contributing to the nation's development. Let's dive into the benefits of L&T Infotech Mindtree Samruddhi Scholarship Program. This scholarship offers a financial support of 20,000 rupees, and this scholarship is applicable for the students who are pursuing their engineering or undergraduate courses. To be eligible for this scholarship, you must meet the following criteria, like you must have secured minimum of 60% in class 10, 12 or in diploma. You must be pursuing the courses like engineering, that is BE or BTech, BCA, BCS and BSc in computer science. To be eligible for this scholarship, your family income should be less than 6 lakhs rupees. The best part is this scholarship is open for all the genders, and the preference will be given to the students who belongs to these states like Gujarat, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Telangana and Uttar Pradesh. If you feel that this scholarship is not suitable for you, then you need not to worry. We have multiple active scholarships on a portal called the Global Scholarship, link in description box. You will need the following documents to complete your application: passport size photograph, ID proof, address proof, domicile certificate and PAN card as an optional, income proof, students or parents passbook or the kiosk, mark sheet of class 10, 12 and the previous year, admission letter or the bona fide certificate, then fees receipt or the current year fee structure. Now let's discuss how to apply this LTI Mindtree Samruddhi Scholarship. Hit the link given in the description box. If you find this content is valuable, please show us some support by liking and subscribing our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship. Let's come back to the application process. Once you click on the link, you will be redirected to login page. If you are already a registered user, please log into the application with your valid email ID and password. If not, then please create and update your profile. If you find any difficulty while creating and updating profile, please watch this video. Now let's come back to the application process. Then log into your application and check for the search and apply button. There you need to select the scholarship, that is LTI Mindtree Samruddhi Scholarship. Then you'll be redirected to an interface where you need to fill out the details like, is your parent or a guardian is working for L&T Infotech, then please select the option yes or no. Select your state where you belong to, the district where you belong to, then select the option whether you are an orphan. And the next question is, are you differently abled student? Then select option yes or no. Then you need to upload the bona fide certificate. If you don't have the sample copy of bona fide certificate, then please download from here and get it certified from your college administrative or the principal. Then click on the checkbox where it defines that all the above given information are true, and then click on the submit button. LTI Mindtree Samruddhi Scholarship is not just a financial aid, it's a bridge to your future. If you meet the eligibility criteria, then don't miss this opportunity. Apply before the deadline and this scholarship support to achieve your educational dream. Best of luck for your scholarship journey. Let's help each and every student possible by sharing this video. Signing off, take care, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.